Wood furniture and wooden decor pieces have an undeniable charm that can transform any living space into a warm, inviting environment. Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to transform your living spaces you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The natural beauty of wood brings a sense of tranquility and connection to nature, making it an ideal choice for home decor. Whether you live in a cozy cottage, a modern apartment, or a spacious house, incorporating wooden elements into your design can enhance the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your space. This text will explore various ideas for utilizing wood furniture and decor pieces to create a harmonious living environment that reflects your personal style. One of the most impactful ways to incorporate wood into your living space is through furniture. A wooden dining table serves as the centerpiece of any dining area, providing a sturdy and timeless option for family gatherings and entertaining guests. Opting for a reclaimed wood table can add character and history to your home, with its unique grain patterns and imperfections telling a story of its own. Pair the table with mismatched wooden chairs for an eclectic look, or choose a set that complements the table's finish for a more cohesive design. Adding a centerpiece made from natural materials, such as a wooden bowl filled with seasonal fruits or a rustic vase with fresh flowers, can further enhance the warm ambience. In the living room, wooden furniture pieces can create a cozy atmosphere that encourages relaxation and connection. A wooden coffee table serves as both a functional surface for drinks and snacks and a decorative element that ties the room together. Consider selecting a table with intricate carvings or unique details that reflect your personal style. Surround the coffee table with comfortable wooden chairs or a sofa featuring wooden accents to create a harmonious seating arrangement. Incorporating wooden shelves can also provide both storage and display options for books, plants, and decorative items, allowing you to personalize your space while keeping it organized. Wooden accent pieces can add depth and character to any room. Think about incorporating wooden side tables or nightstands that complement your existing furniture. These small but impactful additions can serve as surfaces for lamps, books, or personal items while adding visual interest to the space. A wooden bench at the foot of your bed not only provides additional seating but also serves as a stylish storage solution for blankets or shoes. In entryways, a wooden console table can create an inviting first impression while offering a place to drop keys, mail, or bags. The beauty of wood lies in its versatility. It can seamlessly blend with various design styles, from rustic farmhouse to modern minimalism. For a bohemian vibe, consider incorporating driftwood decor pieces or wooden sculptures that evoke a sense of nature and artistry. A large piece of driftwood can be transformed into a stunning coffee table or wall art, making it a conversation starter in your living space. Wooden wall hangings, such as macrame or woven baskets, can also add texture and warmth to your walls while maintaining an organic feel. Incorporating wooden elements in unexpected ways can make your living spaces feel unique and personalized. For example, consider using wooden crates as shelving units or storage solutions. These versatile pieces can be stacked to create custom shelving arrangements or used individually as side tables or plant stands. Painting or staining the crates in colors that complement your decor can further enhance their visual appeal. Additionally, wooden ladders can serve as stylish display racks for blankets, magazines, or plants, adding height and interest to your space. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood of any room, and incorporating wooden light fixtures can elevate the aesthetic while providing warmth. Wooden pendant lights above the dining table or kitchen island create a focal point while casting a soft glow throughout the space. Table lamps with wooden bases can add an earthy touch to side tables or desks, providing both functionality and style. When selecting lighting fixtures, consider choosing designs that showcase the natural grain of the wood or feature unique shapes that draw attention. To further enhance the connection between your indoor spaces and nature, consider adding plants alongside your wooden furniture pieces. The combination of greenery and natural wood creates a harmonious balance that promotes well-being and tranquility. Wooden plant stands or shelves can elevate your plants, allowing them to become focal points in your decor while adding height and dimension to the room. Hanging planters made from wood or macrame can bring life to empty corners or windowsills without taking up valuable floor space. Wall art is another excellent way to incorporate wood into your decor. Consider framing photographs or artwork with wooden frames that complement the overall aesthetic of your space. A gallery wall featuring a mix of framed art and wooden accents can create visual interest while allowing you to showcase your personality. Additionally, wooden wall sculptures or panels can serve as striking focal points that add texture and depth to your walls. When it comes to creating a cohesive look throughout your home, consider using similar wood tones across different rooms. This approach creates a sense of continuity and harmony in your decor while allowing each space to maintain its unique character. For instance, if you have a dark wood dining table in the kitchen, consider incorporating lighter wood accents in the living room to create contrast while still maintaining an overall cohesive feel. Mixing different types of wood can also add visual interest. Just be mindful of balancing warm and cool tones to avoid overwhelming the space. In addition to traditional furniture pieces, consider incorporating wood into architectural elements of your home. Exposed wooden beams on ceilings can create an inviting rustic charm while adding visual interest to open spaces. Wooden paneling on walls can evoke warmth and coziness while serving as a backdrop for artwork or decor items. If you're looking for more subtle ways to introduce wood into your design, consider using wooden trim around windows and doors or opting for wooden cabinetry in kitchens and bathrooms. The kitchen is another area where wood furniture and decor can shine. Wooden countertops provide warmth and functionality while serving as beautiful surfaces for meal prep and entertaining. Pairing wooden cabinets with sleek hardware creates a modern yet timeless look that is both inviting and practical. Open shelving made from reclaimed wood allows you to display dishes, glassware, or cookbooks while adding character to the space. Incorporating wooden bar stools at an island or breakfast bar creates additional seating while maintaining an organic feel. The bathroom is often overlooked when it comes to decor, but incorporating wood elements can create a spa-like atmosphere that promotes relaxation. Consider using wooden shelves for towels or toiletries, adding warmth to an otherwise sterile environment. A wooden vanity can serve as both a functional piece and a statement element in your bathroom design. For smaller spaces, consider using floating wooden shelves for storage while keeping the floor area open and airy. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.